If you are currently an enrolled nurse, assistant practitioner, or a nurse associate in England and you want to finally become a registered nurse in the UK, then this video is for you. Whether you are in practice right now or not, there is a clear pathway, and in this video I will break it down for you step by step. If we haven't met before, I am Bright Agbenyo, a registered nurse, and here to guide you through your UK nursing journey. If you are looking for information on nursing career progression, you are in the right place. Hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. Your ultimate goal is to become a registered nurse with the NMC, that is the Nursing and Midwifery Council of the UK. This means you'll be able to practice independently in the UK in fields like adult nursing, mental health nursing, children's nursing, and learning disability nursing. But how do you get there, especially if you are already qualified as an enrolled nurse or assistant practitioner? There are two main pathways. The first one is for you to undertake a top-up nursing degree at a university, and that will qualify you as a registered nurse in the UK. I'll be basing my video on one particular university, but you can as well search different universities to see what your prospects are. Now, what should you do? You can undertake direct entry via BSc Honors Nursing Studies, that is top-up degree, if you are still in a current nursing practice and registered with the NMC of UK or an equivalent body overseas like the NMC of Ghana, and you have 10+ years of experience. You may be eligible to apply directly for the BSc Honors Nursing Studies top-up degree at the University of Derby. But this is subject to program leader reviewing your experience and professional background. So make sure your application clearly shows your registration and experience. The 10 years experience is specific to the University of Derby. Other universities might have lesser requirements, so you would want to find out more from other universities. Now, under this first pathway, if you don't meet the criteria for direct entry, that's you don't have 10 years of experience as an enrolled nurse, don't worry. There is an access route designed specifically for professionals like you. You will first need to complete a course called Certificate of Credit in Health and Social Care Studies. It is a 20-credit stand-alone module completed over 10 weeks, and it is delivered at level 5, which is diploma level. This course builds your academic and professional development skills, helping you reflect on your practice. Once you have completed this bridge course, you will be eligible to apply for the BSc Honors Nursing Studies top-up program. Like I mentioned, University of Derby offers this program. Reach out to the university for more clarification. You must also know that as an overseas trained enrolled nurse who is not registered with the NMC of UK as a nurse associate or assistant practitioner, you will need the overseas route to register with the NMC. Let me explain that again. Assuming you were an enrolled nurse from Ghana, currently living in the UK, but you are not registered with the NMC of UK, if you study the top-up nursing with the University of Derby, and you now have a degree in nursing, you will still need to use the overseas route to register with the NMC of UK. I hope that is clearer. I would also encourage you to discuss with the program leader at the university about what your prospects are before you begin the journey. That is, letting them know what your goal is, which is to become a registered nurse in the UK, and confirm from them if the program will allow you to register with the NMC of UK after you have completed it, to ensure that the program is accredited and recognized by the NMC of UK. These are some key things to know. The Certificate of Credit is additional study. It doesn't shorten your BSc top-up, but it does open the door for you to enter into the BSc top-up program. You will need to balance work and study. The course runs over 10 weeks, so plan your time well. You will be assessed through reflective work and CPD planning, no big final exams. What happens after the top-up? Once you have completed a top-up degree, you will be eligible to register with the NMC as a registered nurse and apply for Band 5 or above nursing roles. You can also progress towards specialist roles, leadership, or even nurse education. If you are thinking about the access route or top-up degree, let me know in the comments. I reply to every question and can help you figure out your next move. And if this video is helping, give it a like. It really supports the channel. This is a quick recap before I proceed. If you are experienced, that is for 10 years, and you are currently practicing and NMC registered, apply directly for the BSc Nursing Studies top-up at the University of Derby. If you need an access route because you don't have the 10 years experience, then take the 10-week certificate of credit first at the University of Derby. Both paths lead you to registered nurse status in the UK. Let's proceed to the second pathway. I said there are two pathways. The first one is to take a nursing top-up degree to become a registered nurse. The second pathway you can undertake is to enroll in an apprenticeship program. If you are an enrolled nurse, a nurse associate, or assistant practitioner, and you are working in an NHS hospital, find out if they have any apprenticeship program. This apprenticeship program, most of them last for 18 months, and after undertaking them, you qualify to become a registered nurse with the NMC of UK. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you are ready to take the next step, reach out to universities offering these programs, update your CV, and start preparing your application. If you want to do the apprenticeship program too, head straight to your NHS website and find out if they are having any programs like that. If your NHS doesn't have, look for NHS that do these apprenticeship programs and find your way there. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. Subscribe to become a part of the family for more nursing career content, including funding tips, study hacks, and how to thrive in the UK as a nurse.